Okay. So let's start today. Some more 2 marks trigonometric functions. Okay. So now today let's do some more the problems on simplest form. Okay. Simplest form of commonly ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ್ರಿ. Simplest form ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Carefully ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ commonly ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನ. For example, first problem. Write simplest form of tan inverse root of 1 minus cos x dividing by 1 plus cos x, where x is what, greater than 0 and less than pi. This is our question. Are you able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. I'm interested in ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, pay ಮಾಡಿ. Google Pay, Phone Pay ಲಿಂದ add ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Yes. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಹಳ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Listen here. The most popular format is 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x. Already ಹೇಳಿನಿ. 2 plus ಇದ್ರೆ cos square x by 2 ಆಗ್ತದ. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ 2 sin square x by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Tan inverse. What is 1 minus cos x? 2 sin square x by 2. ಹೌದಾ? 2 sin square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿನಿ ನಾ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ. Just I am using the formula here. Now tan inverse 2 to cancel. ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ sin by cos ಏನಾಗ್ತದ?
Tan x by tan x.
Yes, tan square x by 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ 2 ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಇದು ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಏನ್ ಮತ್ತು tan inverse of tan x by 2. What about this tan inverse and tan? Can I remove this?
Cancel.
Yes, sir.
What you get here?
X by
Yeah. Yes, that's it. Any doubt here?
no, sir.
Okay, very good. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? Shall I switch to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನಿದ ಮನಿದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. It is available in the application. Fine, that's already available in the application. Check this. ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is the first question here. Now question number 2. These all are very very important. Write simplest form of tan inverse cos x minus sin x whole dividing by cos x plus sin x ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, now condition of this will be like this. Okay, now tell me what we have to apply here. Anybody here? Any idea what we have to do? Tell me. Yes, already started here. Recorded video is available. Kelsa madri. You just call me 1 hour later. Actually I'm in the online class now. What we'll use here? Solution. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರೀತೀನಿ. cos x minus sin x dividing by cos x plus sin x ಅಂತದ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, now dividing by, I will do everything the same here. Tan inverse of ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos x ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ dividing by cos x dividing by cos x dividing by cos x dividing by cos x. Like this you have to do. So dividing by cos x, then you will get here, cancel it, you will get 1. And what about this? Tan x, and you can cut it, I will get here tan x. Okay, tan inverse. Fine. What about this? Any idea? What about this formula? ಅದ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಪೈ ಬೈ 4. 1 ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅದೇ 1 ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. What about this? This is always equal to tan of pi by 4 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದಿಲ್ಲ x ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್. Okay, so what can I write here? Can I write here tan of pi by 4 minus x? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now let's remove this tan inverse of tan. What? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ
सर
ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋರಿ.
अबेक से बोलो थोड़ा सा
कौन सा? आप कौन है? मैं नहीं मालूम हो रहा ना.
शहबाज है सर.
शहबाज?
हाँ.
कहाँ पे आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, बताइए.
थोड़ा वो यहाँ फर्स्ट से समझ नहीं आ.
ठीक है, मैं बोलता रुको 1 minute, just a minute, let me finish it. मैं बोलता हूँ. Just remove this tan inverse of tan and you will get here pi by 4 minus x here. Okay, Shehbaz means just ignore.
हाँ सर.
हाँ ठीक है. आप आज अटेंड हुई क्या क्लास?
हाँ सर.
हेलो सर.
मुश्किल है. हाँ यस.
रूपेश को एडमिन करा.
रुपेश को एडमिन करो सर.
ठीक है, we'll do it. तो 2 रुपए रुपेश है ना यहाँ पे?
हाँ, एक के करो.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗ
ನೋಡಿ ಜೇಲ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಳಕ.
Okay, नहीं, we'll manage it. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है. So many less students are there. Fine. So आवाज आ रहा है वहाँ पे. ये करो भैया. कौन है यहाँ पे? आप लोग वहाँ पे है ना? रक्षिता. Fine. Listen here. Simplest form. What is simplest form? Then you have to write the question whatever it is. जो भी ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Just whatever it is given, you just take this and divide here in the numerator and in the denominator. Divide by cos x. I'm just dividing it by cos x. Yes, see this. Divided by cos x. Okay. So now let's cancel it. Cos x will get cancelled and you will get here 1 here. Sin x by cos x will get here tan x. Like this आपको यहाँ इस तरह आ जाएगा. और ये जो इसके अंदर इधर बर्दन लगा इधर मीनिंग है ना पांच. I wrote here that meaning is right. See this. I just substituted here and everything it is given here. And tan inverse of tan remove करो and you will get this one. Okay. And the person who is attending today, आज जो भी attend हो रहे हैं, so please watch your old videos. Will come to know this all. Right? One more problem I will explain. You will get it. देखो पिक्चर बीच में हो रहा है. अगर बीच में पिक्चर रेंड करोगे तो पहला क्या हुआ नहीं मालूम होगा. So anyway, आप कोशिश करो, हो जाता है. पुराना वीडियोस भी देख लो. And I try to make you to understand. Fine. So let's see that question number 3 here. Question number 3. तो आगे धीरे धीरे चलते करते जाओगे तो विल गेट द आइडिया. डोंट वरी. एकदम समझ में नहीं आता. इट टेक्स टाइम. ओके. सो नाउ लेट्स सी दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 now. Question number 3 simplest form ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Just a minute. कहाँ का पूछा जाता है? Let me do that. 2 you can expect this also. Prove that simplest form ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಾಮಿರೋದು 1 minute. Let's do this. Let's do this. Write simplest form of, make it very important. Simplest form of tan inverse a cos x minus b sin x dividing by b cos x plus a sin x. Okay, if a by b tan inverse of x is greater than -1. Yes. So this is our question here. So make it very important, very special it is. You can expect very rare conditions in 3 marks, and usually it will be for 2 marks because it's very simple. So how to deal with this? I will give a trick here. Remember this. Trick देख लो भाई क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं. ये मतलब नोड्री a by b tan inverse of x अंतदा. Okay. So should be inverse of x. Okay, no problem. Actually it should be tan x. So anyway, it's okay. Now a by b is here. Tan is there. Just imagine that it is a tan x. Okay. So can I write what is tan x? Tan x is equal to, can I write sin x by cos x? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Can I write tan? Okay. So what is in the denominator? What is in the denominator here? Tell me. What is in the
B cos
denominator?
x.
B cos
B
x. Now, yes, every time what you have to do, check the condition. Whatever he gives, check the condition here. Okay. Check the condition. This one, and you have to utilize that. For example, tan inverse a divided by b cos x. See here, a cos x, now divided by b cos x, b sin x, okay, divided by b cos x, whole dividing by b cos x dividing by b cos x plus a sin x dividing by b cos x, okay, is equal to tan inverse a by b. Cancel होगा. Is it right? Shehbaz मालूम हो रहा है? Getting? Are you there? b cancel. What about the sin x cos by cos x? Tan x.
Tan.
b cancel, cos x cancel, we'll get 1 here. Okay, do one thing. I take this separately. Okay, take this a by b separately. A by b. Okay. Yes, anybody? What about the sin x by cos x?
Tan
What
x.
is sin x by cos x?
Tan x.
Can I write here tan x?
Tan x.
Very good. Very good. I can make like this. Is equal to tan inverse. Okay. It's very important. So what do we have to do and how to solve this? Listen this. Tan inverse means what? You know that, you know this formula. What is that? Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of anybody? What about this formula? Tan inverse of bolo bhai.
X minus.
If it is y, x minus y dividing by
1
1 plus
minus
plus,
x. Plus
ಕೆಳಗ್
x.
plus ಮೇಲ್ minus is ಕೆಳಗ್ plus, ಮೇಲ್ plus is ಕೆಳಗ್ minus. Okay. So when you see this, you can write like this. Is it possible to write in the reverse order? Yes. Now tell me, try to write in the reverse order. What will happen? What about this? A by b. If I write like this by a by b, tell me, make it reverse. What can I write here? Tan inverse
Tan inverse A minus
A.
tan inverse B.
Tan inverse b.
B.
Okay, we got that reverse writing process. I'm writing reverse in the reverse direction. Okay. Now let's write it in the reverse direction. Tell me the reverse direction of this. Tell me the reverse direction of this. I want reverse direction of this. Tan inverse of
Tan
first
inverse
element minus tan inverse of
tan x.
second element. Okay, now observe here. Let's write this tan inverse of A by B as it is. And what about this? Tan inverse is your tan here. Okay, actually it is tan here. Okay, I should write here tan x only. Tan x. What about that, dear students? Tell me, what about this? Let's remove this tan. What you will get?
X.
X. That's it. This is the simplest form. You can expect this also for 2 marks. So any doubt here?
No.
Okay, you have to solve like this. Okay, these are most important. What happens sometimes? Shebaz, आ रही बात समझ में? गायब होगा ना, है नहीं आप? रुपेश,
Yes, sir. Understanding.
रुपेश मैं होस्ट कर रहा हूँ, अगर कोई आ रहा बोले तो उनको ऐड कर लो, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
You just do the procedure, okay? Now, fourth, right? Simplest form of tan inverse 2 cos x minus 3 sin x whole dividing by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Okay, so it was on noting where
Sir, Shahbaz.
ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಟ ಜರ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ.
Shahbaz, Shahbaz, sir.
Yes, if you have any doubt, then what happened, you have to ask me. शेबल बल आवाज बरले दे, राइट? या आप
Hello?
निबल अगर आपसे आपके पास कहीं अगर आवाज आ रहा है तो क्या करो, उसे म्यूट करो. If you have doubt, unmute and ask me. That is the best idea. Otherwise recording होता है ना, then what happens, you can't means with interest you can't see that solution. Say this. He has given some condition. What is that condition here? Say this: if 2 by 3 tan inverse of x should be greater than minus 1. This is a condition here. So how to solve such problem in the easy way? Solution: tan inverse 2 cos x minus 3 sin x 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Okay, dear students, now what is the main trick for me? I want this, this is very important. 2 by 3 a by 2 by 3 समझो कि tan x है, उसे tan समझ लेना, ठीक है? How can I write it? Tell me. Can I split like this? Tan x like sin x by cos x. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
What is in the denominator?
3 cos x.
Then divide it by 3 cos x. That's it. 3 cos x. Then divide it by 3 cos x equal to tan inverse. Listen, 2 cos x is here, so divide it by 3 cos x. 3 sin x here, then divide it by 3 cos x. Whole dividing by 3 cos x, then dividing by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dividing by 3 cos x equal to tan inverse. See this cos x, can I cancel this cos x cos x? Okay, 3 cancel, 3 cos x 3x 3 cancel. So now remaining thing I am going to write here. Fine, say this 2 by 3 minus, what about the sin x by cos x? Anybody?
Tan x.
Very
Tan
good. So let's write here tan x, and you get here 1 plus 2 by 3 here. Let's write like this. What about the sin x by cos x?
Tan x.
Tan x.
Yes, can I write like this? Let's take this as a tan x. Okay, so now remove this. I don't want this. Yes, now apply the reverse direction. Tan inverse of
2 by 3
very good. Then what about this?
minus tan inverse of tan x.
Very good, shabash. Very good. Tan inverse 2 by 3 minus inverse remove it, and you will get here x you will get. Okay, This we call our simplest form. Okay, these are very, very important problem. Everyone must solve and you should practice this. Don't ignore these all things. Okay, these are the most important. Yes, dear students, getting this all fine? Okay, so now let's solve some more problem. Fine, and you people have to solve homework and whatever I give you assignment. Then if you practice more, you will get a confidence. Otherwise, it's a waste. Even if you attend the class, it's totally waste. Okay, so now let's solve some more here. Some more here, 2 marks problems. Okay, and actually, yes. So now let's see one more here. Question number 5. Question number 5. Show that sometimes what happen, he will ask you like this: tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 4 by 3 is equal to pi by 2. Like this question will be asked. Okay, and how to solve this? What is a simple way to solve this? Now solution, note down up to this, up to left hand side. Let's check the left hand side here. Let's note down tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 4 by 3. So dear students, so now say this. Let's take only 2 part here. Let's take only 2 part. Okay, let's apply the formula. What is formula? Tan inverse of 1 by 2, 2 by 11, 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 4 by 3. Okay, like this.
फास्ट ना
Okay, any doubt here?
फास्ट करे तो स्कूल नहीं आया
Now let's write the denominator. क्या होगा भाई? 22, right? Now cross multiplying here, 11 plus 4. Now what about this, dear students? What about this? 1 minus 2 1 j 2, 1 2 j 2, and about this 22. And remaining I'm just writing as it is. Got it? Getting this plan? क्या बता रहा हूँ, मालूम हो रहा है ना?
Yes.
क्या होगा भाई बताओ? 11 plus 4, what you will get? 15 by 22. And you think that here is 1 is available. Now multiplying denominator, you get 22. Let's do the cross multiplying. 22 minus 2. Any doubt? Tan inverse 4 by 3. Now observe here, denominator 22, denominator 22, let's cancel. Tan inverse, 15, dividing by 22 minus 2. How much you will? 22 में 2 निकालो, 10 आता ना? 10 आता?
20 sir.
4 by 3. Now again let's cancel this. Tan inverse. Hedrapa, 5 ಮೂರ್ಲೆ 5 ನಾಲ್ಕಲೆ. Am I right here?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now what I do is in the simple way, nodrapa, tan inverse 3 by 4 ಐತಿ. Okay, plus can I convert this into cot? Is it possible to convert into cot? When I convert into cot, what happened? If you write here cot inverse, this 4 by 3 will be reciprocal. I can write like this, 3 by 4. Fine. So now let's convert this into cot inverse of 3 by 4. Okay. So can I put directly here pi by 2?
Yes, sir.
Why? Reason. With reason I'm writing here. In exam, the reason is very important. Okay, see this. Because tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to,
Pi by 2.
that's it. Right. That's why reason. When you see tan inverse, when you see cot inverse, if here is a 3 by 4 and here is also 3 by 4, you can put directly pi by 2. Okay, I proved it. Say this question. Okay, dear students, getting this? Okay, these are all very, very important problem. You cannot skip these all things. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಈಗ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? Can I switch to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 2 marks ಬರ್ತಾವ. So now let's see some more questions. Question number 6 now. Okay, so now prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 1 by 7. Just try to understand the problem, that's it. Okay, no need to write and all. I will give you some of these notes. Fine, but you have to take a paper and pen. Okay, while just whatever, if I tell you to answer, you have to write and try to solve this. Okay, so now let's take this left hand side first. Let's take this left hand side. Okay, left hand side I'm writing here. Left hand side is equal to 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. So what we have to know here, I'm writing here, what you have to know here, 2 tan inverse of x, there is a formula, that is tan inverse of 2x dividing by 1 minus x square. You have to remember this, that's it. Okay, this is a formula here, remember this. Whenever you see, you can use this formula here. Okay, left hand side is equal to, base ones apply to this. So can I write like this? Tan inverse 2. This is our x. This is our x. Okay. So tell me this formula. Apply this here. 2.
2 into 1 by 2.
2x
1 minus
1 minus 1 by 2 the
square.
whole.
Plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now let's simplify it more. So can I cut this 2, 2? Okay. So what you will get? 1. And again you will get 1 dividing by 4 plus tan inverse of, I am removing this, tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now let's simplify this. Tan inverse whole dividing by, you will get 1 here, multiply denominator, you will get 4. Okay, cross multiplying, you will get 4 minus 1. Am I right, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tan inverse, okay, 1, 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Okay. Now what I do now here, take this 3 by 4. Okay, it will become reciprocal. That will be 4 by 3. Malo itru ulta agtade, reciprocal agtade. Plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Ig matte, now again, apply the formula here. What is formula? 4 by 3. This is x. This is y. 1 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 3.
4 by 3 into 1 by
7. Everyone should interact. Andre interest ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Multiply denominator 21. Cross multiply 28 plus 3. Shabash. Very good. Multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ 4. ಕೆಳಗೆ multiply 21. Tan inverse 31 dividing by 21. Multiplying denominator and cross multiplying. 21 minus 4. 21 that cancel. Tan inverse 31 dividing by 17. What I want in the question. See here what I want. Observe what I want.
31 by 7.
So have you got that right? I got this answer. Same banta. So I begin from LHS. So LHS equal to RHS. Any doubt here? So dear students, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. It's also very important. Fine. So important thing is you have to remember this formula. This is very special. This formula you have to write. I will give you important formula also. And these are the problems you have to solve. Compulsory. You can expect for rare cases, but you may get the questions for 3 marks also. Or 3 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ್ರಿ. Okay, 2 marks ಗಂತ ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಸಕತ್ತೀನಿ. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Let's do this. Prove that tan inverse cos x dividing by 1 plus sin x is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು like this, where x belongs to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, so let's do this. How to do solution? ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೋ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೇ ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಟು ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ what is 1 equal to, you know that 1 is a sin square x plus cos square x, correct?
Yes.
1 other sin square x plus cos square x, half angle select na dividing by 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. half angle formula ಅಂತಾರೆ. half angle formula half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, divide by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, what is sin 2x? 2 sin x
Sin x into cos.
x. half angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ dividing by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ dividing by 2 ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಮೇಡಮ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಬರಿಬೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ, what can I write here? I can write here sin x is equal to. So this is our formula. These three formula use here. Formula important already heli nimaga. So now take this tan inverse cos x
ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್
dividing by 1 plus sin x. Is it right? Okay. Now tan inverse. What about the cos x? Tell me, what about the cos x?
Cos square x minus sin square x.
Yes, minus sin square x. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಜರ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. What is 1? 1 is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus, okay. What is sin x? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, ಜರ ಗಡಬಡ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡು ಜಾಗಕ್ಕ. cos x by 2. Okay. Tan inverse one minute. शिवाज आप ये म्यूट कर लो भाई. वो ये करो, आप म्यूट करके छोड़ो आप.
हाँ सर.
क्योंकि आवाज आ रहा है वहां पे. अगर आपको डाउट है तो आप अनम्यूट कर लो. जब भी डाउट रहता है अनम्यूट करके मुझे बात कर लो. राइट. व्हाट अबाउट दिस a square minus b square? एनीबॉडी? a square minus b square क्या होगा? a plus b, okay, and you'll get here a minus b ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Fine. So similarly here you see that a square plus b square plus 2ab it is. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು? a plus b whole square ಬರಿಬಹುದು. a plus b ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು cos ತಗೋಬಹುದು, sin ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತದೆ. plus sin x by 2 whole square. Fine. So I can write this here, this and this will be cancelled. ಒಂದು ಉಳಿತದ, ಆ tan ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. tan inverse I can write like this cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. I can write in the denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, fine. So now divide it by which from? Yes, very good. Cos x by 2 is here, divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divide this by cos x by 2. रूपेश,
यस सर.
वो कहाँ से आवाज आ रहा है, उनको पूरा म्यूट करके छोड़ो.
ओके सर.
फाइन. आप हमेज करके छोड़े ना म्यूट. Are you able to listen my words?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Doing, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now,
Okay. Now let's do it. Tan inverse cancel 1 minus. What about the sin by cos? Tan
Tan
x
x
by
by
2. What about this? Cancel 1 plus, and here you will get
tan x by
tan x by 2. Is it right? So can I do like this, tan inverse of, what about this formula I told you? Whenever you see like this, you can write here pi by 4 as a sign here. What is sign here? Minus. Okay, sign here minus. So again tell me that what can I write here?
x by
What is here? X by 2, right? I can write here x by, actually tan of something ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 1 minute. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Tan of, I can write here pi by 4 minus x by 2. This I can remove. So I got here finally pi by 4 plus x dividing by 2. So
Sir,
what
pi
I
by
want
2
actually,
minus
4 minus 6.
minus, sorry, should be minus here, minus x by 2. Yes, dear students, got this?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
So we got this. Okay. So one more here, I do a problem here, you have to take this as homework. Tan inverse cos x dividing by 1 plus sin x is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, so where x belongs to minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Yes, getting?
Yes,
So
sir.
ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. And you have to solve 2 marks problems. I will check it. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, I will explain tomorrow. I will finish this 2 marks and I switch to 3 marks problems. And I think probably ಇದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ because I made host actually na ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದನಲ್ರಿ. So that's the problem. I don't know is it recording or not. Anyway, we will check it. ಇದು recording ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I will make it available. Otherwise no option. In the future if I explain once again I will make it. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಯಾರು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಎನಿವೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. Okay, fine. So I am sending this file to you people. So please go and solve the scoring package. Okay, scoring package naga nim work ಹೇಳತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. What is your work? Visit scoring package. Okay, scoring ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ passing package ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Do it and 2 marks related to inverse trigonometric function. Okay, if you have any doubt please send me, I will discuss with you tomorrow. And again I will there will be last 2 marks means class tomorrow. Okay, and later I switch to 3 marks problem. Yes, are you getting this all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Fine. So and here Sukshanda, hello.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಇದ್ರ ಯಾರು SST ಇದರ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Don't send this screenshot to them, otherwise they will get confused, right?
Yes, sir.
So ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಸುಕ್ಷಿತಾ, ರಕ್ಷಂತ್, ಇದು ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Note otherwise you type and send, otherwise you note down and take a pic and send in the group to them. Okay,
Yes, sir.
ಸುಕ್ಷಂದ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋ, ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋ, and ವಿಶ್ವ, ಅಕ್ಷತಾ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಗೆ see to it. Okay, you take screenshot now but don't send screenshot in the group. You just note down and send it. ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ಮತ್ತಾಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೇನ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚಿಂದ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬೇರೆ ಅದ. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಚಿನಾಗ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕಿನ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಬರೋರು ಅದಾರ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಅದಾರ. ಎಸ್, ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ SST ದವ್ರು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ SST ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ SST Shehbaz Ali, SST Rupesh, like this if you write it's helpful to me. Okay, dear students, and see you all tomorrow. Please practice this all, and tomorrow will be the last class for 2 marks questions. Okay, and you practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fine, and you people almost you will get our notes and video will be given later. Chalo, take care. Bye bye.